You have time for God? If you do, share this to your friends, because you may not know that God could be using you to bring others closer to God. Now, the message for today is Genesis 13, verse 8, which is, "And Abraham said unto Lot, Let there be no strife, I pray thee, between me and thee, and between my herdmen and thy herdmen, for we be brethren." Now, in this verse, there was a strife, there was an argument, a rising conflict between Abraham and Lot. But instead of Abraham arguing with Lot, he chose to separate from Lot. Not because he hated Lot, but because he wanted to he chose peace and alignment with God over conflict. And that's the thing for us. There are times where we can't handle the situation. We can't handle a situation, and doing if you go further, you're just gonna add fuel to the fire. So by separating yourself from that conflict, you chose peace. And when you separate from that conflict, seek God, pray to Him and ask Him for guidance, and He will lead you to the right path. Now, this also aligns with fleeing from sin, because sin is bad. Sin is very corrupt. It corrupts us all, and that's what the devil wants us. It wants us to fall into sin, because sin separates us from God. And so, if you're being tempted right now, if the devil is speaking to you saying, "Go over there and lust over those women or men, go over there, seek money and power over God," or if the devil tells you, wallow in fear and anxiety, don't believe all of those. That's a lie from the devil. Flee from it. Seek God, and He will show you the way. That's all I have today. That's the message I have today. Thank you, y'all. God bless.